Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. 2 days teachers orientation program held in West Garo Hills under the Staff Project. Field assistant in the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department exposed for inefficiency. Taxi drivers disagrees to return back to pre-COVID scenario. And Krung receives an ambulance from Nyotrab Youth Council. And other news in detail. On the 28th of March, a 2 days orientation program for 100 teachers was held at District Auditorium Tura on the 28th of March 2023, where founder of Advantage Learn, Vincent Hilton, trained the teachers with different teaching skills necessary in the present context. The program was organized under the Project Star by the District Administration West Garo Hills in collaboration with the District Planning Office Tura. The program was designed to equip teachers with the necessary knowledge and skills to effectively carry out their responsibilities as educators to support the education system in the region. Speaking during the concluding function, the West Garo Hills Deputy Commissioner Swapnil Tembe exclaimed that education has evolved comparing with the old era. The Deputy Commissioner Swapnil Tembe, along with District Planning Officer Tura Winjiji Momin and founder Advantage Learn Vincent Hilton, distributed the certificates to the principals, teachers who participated in the orientation program.
To attend this program, and it's such a good program that I have taken it personally. Till yesterday I was little feeling down, but today I am going out with lots of motivations.
I have come to attend this program, and it's very innovative. It gives us full of knowledge on how to deal with the students, and it helps us to look into our personality and how to deal with the students in general.
I have come here to attend this program. This is a very nice program under the able guidance of Sir Vincent. Really, this is wonderful for all us. Those who have attended this program really gathered lots of knowledge and a positive motivation.
On the 28th of March, the members of the Garo Students Union of Kapasi Para unit visited the Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department and found out that the office unattended and there were no staff inside it. As per the information provided by the union, on visiting the office, they found it empty and no one was present, including the field assistant Sargam CH Marak from 9th Mile, who was supposed to perform his duties in the office. He was serving as a field assistant in Kapasi Para since 2021. The GSU leaders also said that Sargam CH Marak attended the office for only 3 times from the date of his joining. This has caused lots of inconvenience to the villagers. Therefore, the organization demanded a replacement of the present field assistant to the village and requested to take necessary action against Sargam CH Marak for abandoning his work while on duty.
Kapasi parani ang ngatsuda deya stockman center longin sumo ba mamung namgni ko changa mangja basa ko ba wak matsu sarong ba rawo ba gungongan mangja mandehon
alam chinga song ba beno veterinary ngachum deba eno samrang dongja aro chungni jila khemani rango sagen chum oba amna ko ba samrang ko mandeni kaman ingani rang ko matninga
Dalo chunga GSU Kapasi Para unit ni kita veterinary department document center ko site visit kani ko dakenga maina chunga ya veterinary document center ro dian assistant field worker in charge ongi yanuna watata ko mana hacham Sargam CH Marak wa antangni kamu ba antangni duty attend khajainga wa badita ja o aru mai tariko yanu kamko join ka acham chinga uni gaman nami thalja aru maisi kuja nakke chinga chingni jila khemani rang ko dakpingon basa ko ba sa dengani rang ko mana chingni jila khemani rang wa jila khemani rang ko sanna banna kata chinga sam ko ba manja aru yanuna sanna banna rabana kata ba yanuni in charge ba assistant field worker yano dongrong ja uni aselo chenga chengni jela khimani rang sagen chmuba chenga wako gematna nangona sokata ndake chenga ya mijabusi Desember jarango acak sarinang ko mana acak sanirang ko maningon chenga inona samrang ko rana ketaba riba chem samrang ko manja aro yano sana bana ketaba yano jen assistant onge wakta ko mana chem waba ya office to dongja wani asel chenga chengni jela khimani ko gematna nanga arun dake mija wak sanirang ko mana ha wak sanirang ko maningon chenga sana kata manja ndake chenga chengni jilgepa wak rangkoba gematna nangona sokata ndake chenga yani bidungo da site visit ka ani ko dakinga jian yan chengni jela khimani ko dakingon chenga namme warangko sana bana manjai gematna nangona sokani aselo chenga blong ini kani ko maninga ini asel chenga yano dal site visit kana dari baha je assistant field worker yanona watat ko mana hacem chenga wani ko sakko sandiani rangko dakken aro department officer rangna memorandum kongen disina memorandum kongen aro yani ko sakko dongeng pa mandirang nirok semsakatani ko dakchina chenga didiani ko GSU unit ni kita unatinga.
Taxi drivers of Shillong disagreed to run business as usual pre-COVID scenario, which affects their daily wage. Due to the pandemic, the taxi drivers had to raise the taxi fare, which affects the people in need to travel from one place to another for their different matters. Recently, on the 25th of March, the government via the order issued that taxis are to regulate business and board passengers as usual as it was before the COVID-19 pandemic. As per the information collected, taxi drivers opined that they do not agree with the government since they had been following the trend since the pandemic and now the order will affect their livelihood. Besides, the price of petrol had also increased along with all the goods in the market. Therefore, it would be a disadvantage for the daily wage laborers for what they earned will not amount to how much effort they invest.
Pasang senjata, mentara dia senjata behel beriau, mentara dong sama sedian. Apa dah kita saya song beriau, kita beriau juga kamera kuat, beriau kamera. Mana punya kerja ini kita nisong. Sebuah mah. Kata tengok pergi kawai, nama kamsong teh hakador, nama kamsong beriau. Nama sini bala hek beriau mentara, pinang mungkin tak sanggup hadian tu, semer teror, arpau ne hakador, sipau ne mentara dah. Pesenjar umban syuk ban syok kali. Cuma buat beliau teh nak penmi sakaro. Nomor tawat teng ru beliau bela kit school pun argot. Kuasir nak baik sekali morway. Beliau kalau pergi semua pun nak pergi semua. Kami pakai mentai, bercukai kat mana lah. Kami kita sehari lain kot, sakmat morway. Ini sini kan, tamasih cakap tinggi tiap. Baik kali pak kalau nggak nol kata. Tunggu itu macam seminar ni lain kerak lain kau, mak. Kata yang menyi bakal main hang ni kan? Dia bakal masih tu cakap tengah tiap. Sukar kau orang bayar baik kali kan? Kau nak penyiar nak tu. Baik kali tu ya kalau mentah tu berpai baru ya biar juga. Bila dah hak penyiar tu yang menjurna. Ya penyiar kan? Okey. Ya kalau baik kali mentah kalau baik kali kalau ayat mentah lah kan usah mentah. Nadu corona mentah, nadu covid mentah kalau baik kali gila Asia itu kador. Terbagi semua mentah ni. Laku kena covid tu kador. Nama berfikiran ni tengah kador baik kali hak ni. Segram borok itu mentah. Hakpor berpoho kali bersenjar lemon. Akpor berjenjar kali pa dong syong tu dong syong berjenjar taman puji. Akpor berapa kali dapat kali senur kami cuba. Kami cuba ha. Ngilak kerti ngilak kumi komtai ha. Akpor berjenjar kali pa kami sekadar senur berjenjar pa. Bagi sarong bagi tak hab terakhir suara saya pun tak kan kalau betul ter. Kumbalong menginong kamai berjenjar ulang tahi. Tai. Kadawan biar petrol kat tu kador tinggal penyiar biar kat tu kador di sini ada pol mensa kador petrol kat tu kador apa penyiar apa kabai petrol ke jam ni belong ban kita ngayuk ban hitam no iwi passenger kemut ni hitam tang iwi passenger dengan berdekat no kador barim kami hap jual mensa kita nong tang sanbu dinga dan ni sispak dinga bakan ka kata ka pamla bi ban long na daga hap ban ai bi daga red ban mai gitu daga kwa ban mga kata panu maka petrol ka kiu dol baru ka ma kiu dol adu ki pinai keren adu ki 4 kali adu ki tayar kali menta ka kiu dol di हजार ka we tayar 4 kali mobil batang 6000 kat aspak menta 8000 seneng baik nemu asyuk tangi berit dah ngadu ki itu berit baria ki 4 kali laki ulun barafai kiti ngadu ki marba manduk ki rai baru kai ki ulun mendai tangi jong kali mendai ka hapat perkhat ki ni ban sinar ka we ka dor permai mo ka susah we ka dor ka juk kamla long kalau orang makin kit kunjuk ki beri kimat kin riungut ne bat ai ban kit apa tor kom kit dai tam san ngut di dai ban mo jadi mang dikit badan ngikit saungut diwe sikmat la sedin ladang ngikit sangut kemut saw sedin diwe sikmat digini otam kan no penyiar kador bakali kador barim ni kadang syong kita kita kata kesong aja ni baik kita sedar kesong bagi lain baik pada gila naga long kacong ka asosiasyon te gila penbait naga tugasan bagi sim katu gintap katungut gila adjust te mendai benong bagi sim baik kador ba benong bagi sim baik kum kata kador por bensa corona gintap nyopang sikalin riu nyongut bang kam dei ya banyak penbait in madala tim sim ju kador gila sim tengah dor naksan po mo magila penhiar sa po ne lai po ya ban ya banyak adjust lang bat pasenda dia kata di pasenda ki pun di bakwaan syong bahaya marwai bersukwa abi bersubuk marwai ini ki kuan syong marwai sama ban buk lugi benur dari syong lang bagi bagi wet atau kebut ki pun ki beri melak ban penuhan ki beri dal ka jimlong ki abaroi dan tragic tu sya ai ban kit kata ada kom di hap banyak penbait bat ka bai petrol ki hap ban iu dia menong tang ya bai kali abi hap berkat saya ka bai petrol ke ka petrol kat no ka kiu syong bai kali penhiar ka bai petrol kan penhiar dan menonton iu ka hap ban penhiar don rengkat bat ka petrol kan dan syuhiar tang ka bai kali dia mah Haru kitiar barok kai kikiulut haru ki marbam nat nai ong iki tang marbam kitiar barok kai kikiulut. Jen ong penhiar tang kabai kali tang ya kabai kali ben penhiar tang kamla banong. Kadi ban kiu ban kin ban kiulut di barok. Abala kiu barok kadi ban kiu lang bai kali. Ndai banong ban penhiar ban. Apa tu ngah bisa su ka ban dap. Bisa bet tang marwai cepat kau ngot dia. Sao dia.
Kamu mental ada ong ban le biang ong tar kamu mi tam ta iwe he kan
mi tam ta iwe ka ga haban snai da kawi garet ken ka bai kali kendi ka ban ong ban sa ka ju ka dor ka barim ken haban ai da kawi garet ban mai manong ya ka dor ka barim de tanam la su ban tangga bai petrol ka nami su kada maka petrol ka laki di arho tam je ba na ka nyu pu dai pu tam de ka pai arho tam ni kada
Samlin Malngyang, former MLA from Soyong, inaugurated an ambulance bestowed by HYC on the people of Krang village on the 28th of March. Present in the gathering includes Japlang Kharnayor, Assistant General Secretary, Sherbor Maulong, MDC and the staff of Health Department. Addressing the gathering, Samlin congratulated the people of Krang for their new ambulance and shared his opinion on how an ambulance is much needed by the people in hard times. He urged the people to avail the service provided for them and maintain the ambulance.
Ambulance juga HYC Krang unit kalong kacimentoy ke. Wasait lah abaki don kinong kerpa ipi. Yale ban taula banyak ket banyak balang. Tingong ipi akini kisgi ki bamenta kabangi ya lenti ban pai basanchar kampai ba. Kalong gaski badap dang jingkento. Tengi ngisgo bayudi gum kidong yalam. Yem day ban snow red museum da kidong jingkento. Gide ban penpet yeldi. Lada kadai ke batai penpet yaka. Lada kadai ke bomdai ngien sim ba kalong babiang ya ceprang ya kam. Tehani gaski ngidon hangni. Baro kidon nak jong ke bentar bakra. Kaseng HYC mata kasngi kadai kasngi ke bakar pang pi hne po union tege su banai ke play pang pi tege ne girang ba slong ru ibadan hangi ini ru kidai baket ya kaya ke ya tan sudan ba klap ki mai teman pateman apa te burang ba slong kini kidai kita ki tiet jong gari bak chat bakli tengi ru idan lang hangne baro ki pastor teman masan bergerang ba balang ru kita ki wei ki ban ai men sim ya ka sim ke batrot ke baswai bat ke jepang sistem ki don maki ki dua yang ni iyo ya tak jingkot jingkia tingi don hang ni kilok kmi jongi kilok pa jongi ladam don ma pi te kari bajan riu kelakot te dam dan cuk kmi pa ma do ban kha to kini ru kidai ta ki ban pan kiem ya kari bajan riu jongi bagi don hang ni kumunong sanchar pa mal wam disi kini ru kidai ban trai nam ta jompi banyara nam ta kia kasion nam ta jingdon kam jopai ba laga dei hagan do kaliang mut kini ru gitu ne to hang ni ka jingi trelang kan dei ka bo mo ka jingi trelang ni kalong ka bo tingi pan i ran tak khandian hande ka thong ba de ka dei ka bayar ka wan ka taru ka dikawai.
On the 28th of March, the members of the Congress Party Meghalaya organized a party gathering in Congress Bhavan to strongly stand against the actions delivered by NDA government under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who had snatched Rahul Gandhi of his membership in the Lok Sabha. Speaking with the media persons, Ronnie V. Lingdo informed that the reason for this action forwarded by the NDA government was due to the fact that Rahul Gandhi is a leader who always stood against the wrongdoings of the NDA government. He added that in the history of democracy, there is no leader chosen by the people to be barred of his membership in the Lok Sabha on grounds of criticizing the ruling NDA government under Modi's leadership for the wrongs they did in serving the people. The Congress leaders of Meghalaya strongly criticized the actions of the NDA government.
The action against our leader, Shri Rahul Ji. We have staged this protest to mark a protest by the Congress Party of Meghalaya, and then we condemn the disqualification. This is suppressing the democratic right, suppressing the democratic freedom of speech, expression by the NDA government led by Narendra Modi ji. So we condemned. This is ultimate. They want to suppress the truth that our leader Rahul Gandhi ji has been raising in Parliament, has been raising in various platforms about the misgovernance, about the misrule, about the trying to suppress democratic rights, trying to kill democracy, and even go to the extent of disqualifying a leader of the Congress Party by disqualifying him as a member of Parliament. This is, I think, not seen anywhere in the world where an democratically elected leader has been disqualified by very, very unfair means. We only express a strong opposition. We condemn this action taken by the Modi government against our leader Rahul Gandhi, because they are fearing, they have been rattled by the response, the support that is getting from the people all over the country with his Bharat Joro Yatra, where we are trying to ensure that irrespective of caste, creed, gender, we are all Indians, and that is the message that we've been sending. And I think because the NDA government survives on creating this communal division, communal hatred based on caste, creed and gender. So the Congress Party, our leader Rahul Gandhi, believes in uniting the country, that we live peacefully, coexist harmoniously irrespective of all our differences, because India is a country, we believe in unity in diversity. They believe in unity in uniformity. We protest against that. We will carry on until justice is done.
Tomorrow we will have
tomorrow we're going to have a press conference to express our views and about this action of the NDA government.
The cultivation of millet has always been a slow process in Meghalaya since the olden days. Many of our ancestors consumed millet to satisfy their hunger. In order to revive the cultivation and production of millet, the Food Safety Standards Authority of India, under the supervision of the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, on the 28th and 29th of March 2023, organized a trade fair on Millet Mela in Malki Ground, Shillong, which witnessed the participation of millet farmers all over Khasi and Jantia Hills. Addressing the gathering, Ampreen M. Lingdo, Minister of Agriculture, urged the farmers to revive the cultivation of millet in the state. Present in the Mela were the Assistant Commissioner cum Nodal Officer Millet Mela, DBS Mukim, R. Kurba and other officers of the state.
remember and be thankful for. And with much happiness and with much humility, I congratulate the organization of this Eat Right Millet Mela. And I look forward to seeing this food grain also being added to some of the interventions of the government of Meghalaya and the government of India, likewise, to inculcate good eating habits, healthy food to the younger generation. And I am sure that now that we have much knowledge about this golden crop that has a multiple value in the market as well as in our own personal lives, that we should popularize this and take it across to every corner of the state, giving hope to millet growers. Amazing information that the Director of Agriculture has just shared with us. People's lives have changed because they adopted millet cultivation. Now that again is very encouraging information, knowing that our community are slow starters but quick learners. I hope that many more farmers will be rejuvenated in their farming practices by taking up millet cultivation, which, as we now understand, grow in the most adverse conditions of weather. And I think that this is a value that should be spread, and this is information that should be shared. And it is so nice now to know that millet can practically go with every food that is popular in the market. Kiboper, ban yo jing tip jing nang, but ban I jing tip jing nang lem de kiwei, kibampat smuto ya ka jing don kam, jong ukrai, kum uwei na kita kimarep, kibala ban malam shibon ki jing baha, hakaim lang kasalang. Skutanat shibon ban yo I bagi nong rep ki jongi, naka horticulture department ru pakiwan bakinya snok tilang batkum kani ka program kabanyaram ya kata kajing skong tho jong kajing don kam jong ka department ka rep ka riang kaba skong tho bat kaba itho ya kajing la kajing nang kajing tip jong kita kinong red kibadai kidakot bakong san haka imlang kasalang jong kajala ka bait kijungi. We're also very happy to see all these the most delicious items of millet, thanks to the United Nations for recognizing millet as not only a very nutritious crop, but a crop that is actually dying in its cultivation. I have been fortunate in the last 2 weeks and a half to understand that there are various areas across the state of Meghalaya where millet cultivation is also keenly integrated to culture. Amazing songs on millet, amazing dances on millet, which go on to prove that millet is a crop that is a value-based crop for the people of the state of Meghalaya.
The Office of the Mission Director, National Health Mission, Government of Meghalaya on the 28th of March 2023 celebrated the World Tuberculosis Day 2023, which was held in Sosotham Auditorium, Shillong. The welcome address was delivered by Dr. S.S. Nongbri, Joint Mission Director, NHM Meghalaya. welcome song by staff nurses of RP Chest Hospital, an introduction by S. Ramkumar, IAS Mission Director, NHM, and a short speech by the Chief Guest, Amprin Lingdo, Health Minister. Awards were also distributed to districts who had worked efficiently to eradicate tuberculosis, to participants who won in a drawing and painting competition, to survivors of tuberculosis, and to DIPR and Shillong Press Club. The event was even more festive with a skit delivered by students of Rapsabun College of Nursing who shared awareness on prevention and ways to cure the disease. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.